Exhaust fitted now. Needs a bit of setting up, which is good. Welcome back everybody. Just a quick update this one. As you would have just seen, I've had my first drive. Although it was only up and down the drive with no door on the passenger side. Things are progressing well. See, I've got the front end mostly mounted on. Fitted some headlights, I've got some indicators, and I've got brake lights, hazard lights, I've got washers and wipers, and things. I've been getting a lot of things working. I've also fitted all the cooling system and filled it with water. No leaks yet, but I've not ran it for very long. Probably only ran it for a minute or two. I found a little leak at the bottom of the carb. I think I may be missing a seal where the adjustment screws into the bottom of the carb for the mixture. So I've ordered one of those. Hopefully that'll come in the next couple of days. I've got some different headlights coming because these ones don't work properly. These are some second-hand sealed beam units that my friend gave me. I've got, what else have I ordered? Some bonnet pins to attach the bonnet. I'm going to put a plate across there and go through this front edge. What else is still to come? The exhaust is now fitted to the car, which is why I was able to run it for a bit longer and move it up and down the drive. So I'm glad the clutch works. I've still got to do something with the brakes. I've got a very, very bad pedal. I'll show you a few other bits and pieces because I think it's starting to rain now and the camera's outside. As you can see, excuse the boots, my eBay aluminium radiator's fitted. It's not leaking yet. I can't remember if I showed you the alternator fitted. I've replaced the plug on the alternator so the alternator works and the battery light goes out. Washer bottle's in, screen wash pump works. I had to change the wiper motor because as soon as I connected that up it tripped. The wipers work. The horn did work. I've fitted a BMW E39 set of horns. It's a bit dark, you probably can't see them, and they've stopped working for some reason, so I need to have a little bit of a look at that. It's raining. Glad I got the Mini in. Inside the car, I've still not got a carpet yet. I've been promised that's coming this week. Speedo's upside down at the minute. I've put the interior light in there. Doesn't work, I need a bulb. I was fitting the passenger side door today, but the rain stopped play. I had to shove it back in the garage quick smart. I'll take you to the back of the car. It's a mess in here, it needs to tidy up again, as you can see. Usually it does. Got a fuel tank. It's not fitted in place yet, but it's in there and connected up. It's a larger one, so I was able to get my hands on a larger strap. A lot of the work I've been doing the last week or so since the last upload has been sorting out the wiring. I had a little bit of a game with hazard lights won't work, but I've got the indicators working. After spending a bit of time studying the wiring diagram, working that out, I found there's an inline fuse holder in the loom that feeds the flasher unit. That wasn't seated very well or something. I took it out, put it back in, it worked. So got the hazards, headlights, they work, but I've only got one sealed beam unit that works on dip beam, so I've bought an H4 conversion kit, so I'm going to fit that. That'll be better anyway. The horn seems to work when it feels like it, which is annoying because we need a horn for MOT, but I can soon get another little button and mount it somewhere. I should probably buy a Shall probably buy a new indicator and horn stalk, but there's no rush for that. As long as I can get the horn working, it's good for MOT. So yeah, when I first tried the wipers, the fuse blew straight away. So I got my hands on another wiper motor thanks to Dave. Then I took the old motor off, tested it, and it was dead short across the windings in the motor. So I stripped it all apart and got the centre part out. Bin that now. Tested the new motor or the replacement motor, and it was something like 60 or 70 ohms across the windings, which is obviously a lot better. So put that in, and that works. Screen wash pump didn't work, so I pulled the little motor apart, cleaned up all the contacts, put it back together, and that works a treat. And I think that's about where we're at. There's lots of little things that's taking me a lot of time at the moment. The next few jobs on my list will be to replace that seal on the carb when it comes, and to, what else have I got to do? Finish. I need to make some brackets up for the front edge of the front panel, which I'm going to show you a little bit of now. Right, if you just have a look down here, that wheel's quite close to that arch. I don't know if I need to adjust the ride height up a little bit, but when I turn the wheel it catches on the inside of that front panel, and it's actually pulled that off. So I don't know whether to cut the fiberglass and then mount that further back, or see what adjusting the ride height does. It's a little bit frustrating, really. It's one of those things. This fiberglass doesn't fit very well at all, really, but it is what it is. It's a front end. It'll be mounted on the car. It'll hold the lights, and it's mud guard, so it's better than nothing. Put an interior mirror in. That was previous owner Alex Toon. That was out of his van before he put his shiny one in. I've got, can't see it, one of those boxes to put a radio in, and I've got a Pioneer radio to put in. So I need to make up something to mount the speakers in as well. So still got a fair list to do before IMM, but I'm quite confident at the moment that we'll be driving there and we'll get the engine running right. Sounds very nice though. Thanks again for watching. It's just a short update to show you the progress. I was considering booking an MOT for this coming Saturday, which will be the 27th, but I'm not 100% confident I'm going to get ready for then, so I'll try and get it MOT'd next week, but it's difficult. The kids are off school, so there's a lot of trips backwards and forwards to the in-laws to get them looked after. So whether I'll have time, maybe I'll get time for a late afternoon one, maybe, we'll see. But thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another update before IMM.